Hey guys, so over the course of the past 1 year, my friends and I have been getting very addicted to barbecuing, and we're all learning new tricks and tips on how to get the best grill, make the best grill, get the best beef, what the recipes are, what kind of spices we should use. And so we decided to invest a little bit in a brand new Weber Kettle Plus BBQ grill. So that's the project for today. Let's get right to it. So a lot of guys and girls will tell you don't bother with assembly guides like these because who needs them? It's a barbecue pit, it's easy. That's not true. Never ever be too embarrassed to use an instruction manual just because you might miss one step and then you have to disassemble what you've done and then redo it. So go through an instruction manual, and on top of that, you also figure out what kind of tools you may or may not need. So let's continue. Well, there you have it, guys. In just a couple minutes, maybe about 10-15 minutes, you get this barbecue grill ready to go. Now it's easy. All you need two tools. As you saw in the little time-lapse video, you need a screwdriver and you need a hammer just to put in the wheels and to tighten the handle. That's it. Now also with this Weber kit comes with a barbecue Asian recipes. So if you're into that, if you want to learn more about how to use your grill, this owner's guide will also teach you how to not just build the thing, but also how to maintain it, because you got to maintain that stuff. It's not just washing it with water. You got to really scrub it down. Now, bring the camera a little bit closer to me now, show you guys this Weber Kettle Plus real quick. So this is the Weber Kettle Plus, as you can see right here. Very well built quality, real thick steel. Comes with a thermometer right here, so you can see what's the temperature cooking inside if you choose to use the lid. Now we've upgraded to a newer version of the grate. As you can see here, it folds up so you can put the charcoal in and out with ease. It's also pretty cool because this one comes with the rim in the back, so you could actually just put the lid nicely there like a little package when you're barbecuing. Well, there you have it, guys. Easy, simple. This thing set me back about $250, $300 Singapore dollars. So if you guys are looking for something a little bit better, check out their website. If you're looking for something a little bit on the lower end, also check out the website. This is not a paid advertorial commercial. This is just me making a video. So we're gonna fire up some steaks tonight and hope we have a good feast. All right, see you guys later. Peace out.